Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm unboxing my Witch's Moon box for January 2022. Almost 3 years getting this box, or maybe it's almost 4. I don't know. I think it's 3. So excited. Been a little bit crazy here, so it's another end of the month unboxing. It smells good. Oh, like this. The right choice. Not every eye has vision. Not every seed contains pearls. When you are drawn away from a tantalizing sweet shop, trust that there is a more delicious array of confectionery just around the corner. Yes, have your tantrum if you must, but you will be sheepish when you realize the hand that removes is the same great hand of the beloved that bestows even greater gifts. Interesting. The theme is Whispers of the Oak, so I'm going to set this aside. Dear subscriber, we are writing to inform you of a small adjustment in shipping prices starting in February. We have not raised shipping prices since we started in 2016 and have done everything we can to make our shipping costs affordable. Unfortunately, the cost of shipping is now at a cost. Oh, okay. Well, it is what it is. The Resolute Spirit. This is probably the spell paper. What do we have? Ooh, Storm Moon. Love it. Absolutely love it. I have a few of these. Spirit of the Oak. Lovely. Alright, let's see what we got here. We, of course, have our candle. Okay, it's a very vibrant green. We have white oak, we have grapeseed, and we have juniper berry. We have New Beginnings Sacred Salt. I can't smell it because it's in a container, but I smell something, so it must be the incense, yes. Yes, Mystic Forest incense, so yum yum. Got a little tiny thing here. Okay. Come on, there we go. Okay. It's a little tiny crystal. I wonder, is it watermelon tourmaline or something? I don't know. Watermelon tourmaline's really expensive. But let me see what we got. The only reason I'm thinking that is because it looks like I have some green on the bottom with some pink on the top. But let's check it out. In bulk oil. Smells like a garden getting ready to grow. Like flowers. New spring flowers, I guess I would say. Alright, let's get this out. Okay. Oops. Dang. So it looks like an Oak King plaque. Big, pretty. Kind of cool. There we go. I'm going to leave that right here so we can see it. And I'm going to read to you what it says in this box. So let's check it out. As the days start to become longer and the promise of new life is reintroduced, we remind ourselves... Good Lord, Mama, stop. Oh, no, it's not Mama. I'm popular this morning. My mom, my brother, and a friend are all texting me at the same time. I have to call my mother. I have to call my mother. Just a reminder, you guys call your mother too. As soon as I'm done with this. Okay. We focus on... Okay, there we go. We focus on absorbing new information and setting goals that exceed our expectations. We celebrate the blessings that are and the blessings that are yet to come as the months of light greet us again. In this very special and limited collection, we take guidance from the whispers of the oak while we introduce new intentions into our surroundings. May these months ahead bring light and favor to our path. So, winter oak green mint plaque, cold cast resin, painted by artisans. Spirit of the Oak Book of Shadows artwork. Hand-rolled Nature's Awakening spell candle. Focusing our energies on the sacred time of rebirth and renewal. It has cedarwood, green tea, and jasmine oils. Very cool. The Resolute Spirit Spell Mantra Book of Shadows artwork. In bulk magical anointing oil, which has intention of bringing bringing energies of new life and celebrations of beginnings to your space at this time. This beautiful Gaelic holiday represents the awakening of the world around us. Let me see. It has anise, jasmine, ginger, and basil oils with herbs of jasmine, basil, and elderflower with a quartz. It has a little bit of their New Beginnings magical oil as well. New Beginning ritual salt. It has sandalwood, grapefruit, and green tea oils, as well as rosemary, green tea, and bay leaf, sage, and safflower herbs, with their cleanse and clearing magical oil from their personal cabinet of witchery. We have white oak, grapeseed, and juniper berry herbs. We have Mystic Forest incense sticks, tourmaline stone. The wonderful stone has been included within this collection to bring strength, healing, and growth in your environment. This unique stone strengthens the bond we create with the natural world around us. Carry this beautiful stone. So, I mean, I would say that this is a watermelon tourmaline. Look, see how it's green and then pink? So that's very nice. I don't own one of these. They're very expensive. They're really pretty. I mean, obviously the really, really expensive ones have like a very vivid green and a very vivid pink, but this is pretty nice. Thank you. Storm Moon February SFAT book of Shadows artwork, which is great. I'm collecting those. They're very sporadic though. I only have a few. Personalized oracle reading, and the card was from Rumi Oracle. Oh, nice. I love Rumi. And then, of course, parchment paper. So, as always, guys, I absolutely love this box. It's always a joy. I've been getting it for years. I intend to get it as long as possible. I highly recommend them to you. Definitely check them out. I'll leave a link in the description below. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.